Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, here we're going to take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. And to this oil, we're going to add 2 green cardamoms, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. After adding these ingredients, I'm now going to fry it until the cumin seeds start to splutter. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, here we are then going to add 2 slit green chilies and a tomato puree of 3 tomatoes. After adding the green chilies and the tomato puree, here we're going to mix this well with the rest of the ingredients. And after mixing it well, here we're going to then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. And along with this, here we're also going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder. After adding these spices, I'm now going to mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and let this cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here we can then add half a cup of water to the dish. And along with the water, here we will also add 1 cup of curd. After adding the water and the curd, here we will mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and let this cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here we will then add 200 grams of chopped paneer to the dish. And along with the paneer, 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Here we will also season it with some salt as per taste. And lastly, 1/4 cup of cream. You can now mix this really well with the rest of the ingredients and let this cook for another 4 minutes on low flame. After 4 minutes, here we will now switch off the flame and your delicious paneer curry is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.